I I fucking woke up late, bro. I woke up late. That's not even true. I didn't wake up late. I didn't go to sleep until like 5 a.m. I could not sleep. Uh, so I ended up waking up at 7:30 when I was supposed to. I had a lot of shit to do this morning. Got up, turned my alarm off, went back to bed. I barely remember that shit. But I'm a little irritated with that. But I thought I should kind of explain how trading relates to everything in life. So what I did today was essentially taking a dumb trade. You know what I'm saying? Me waking up when I was supposed to, turning off my alarm and going right back to bed. That's like the same thing as me knowing I probably shouldn't take this trade, but fuck it, I'm gonna take it anyways, and then hitting SL and then being like, damn, why did I do that? Right? So once I actually did wake up, come to my senses, understand I made a mistake, analyze why I made that mistake, XYZ, what I could do better, I could sit there and be pissed like, damn, the whole day's ruined because I fucking woke up 5 hours late and I have a bunch of tasks that I can't do now that I'm not gonna have time to do now. I could just throw the whole day away. That's what my instincts was like, man, fuck it. Like, fuck it. It don't even matter now. I might as well just try again tomorrow. That's what I felt like. But if we were to relate that to the charts, it's the same as making a dumbass mistake and being like, fuck it. I might as well go on till now. I might as well take another trade. If I blow it, fuck it. I'll try again tomorrow. I'll do what I need to do tomorrow instead. I already fucked up today. That's the worst mindset you can have. So I pulled myself together. I said, this is an opportunity to not let a mistake define me and to conquer the rest of the day anyways. So I decided to come check out PM session. I might not actually take a trade though, because if we look, like I showed y'all earlier during the London session trade, we took out PM session high, ended up getting a good reaction off of it. On the 1 hour, we displaced lower. Well, we actually came up and internally manipulated London high during pre-market. Displaced lower towards the new week opening gap, created this 1 hour SIBI. We pushed back into it, we rebalanced, and now we're displacing again. And we already filled the gap. So if we're displacing again, I'm assuming that we're going to come down here. But we are so bullish that we might just be rebalancing. Well, nah. I mean, I don't even see that as the case. We already rebalanced CE of this range, so why would we continue pushing down? This is making me think that we're going to be bearish. But ES did already take out previous day low. We took out previous day low at 9:30 though. And yeah, after that SMT formed, we rebalanced and now we're displacing lower again. So I do want to see how we react to this low right here. It's obvious we're going to take this. We have an SMT there as well. So that might get ran through and we might just keep running lower. But structurally, we are bullish. So we're in a bit of a weird spot. Narrative is unclear. If I do end up taking the setup, it's going to be a 1-to-1. It's not going to be targeting no crazy shit because there's no reason to do that. Now on ES, we do have all this low resistance liquidity right here, as y'all can see. So we might just want to run all that shit. Take out maybe previous week low and then push up. Like, we could just be bullish for the week as a whole, and Monday and Tuesday we might want to push lower, create lower the week, and then push back higher. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. I think we are bullish right now. But I got to see how we react at this internal low. I think this low should give us a reaction. Maybe we'll push up, take out these accumulated highs, and then continue lower. But regardless, I'm just going to take a 1-to-1 if I do see something. And yeah, I think we are going to have to rebalance at this low. So we're about to see how we react to it. Either way, for me to take shorts, I would need an internal sweep anyway. So we got about a minute left before the 15-minute closes. And I think we're going to close down here, rebalance potentially up into this gap, and then continue lower and take out the rest of this low resistance liquidity. Alright, so it's damn near about time for me to get off the charts, but as you can see, we've been accumulating for a minute. ES made relative equal highs with this high, the one that swept out this high right here. So I think we might just be accumulating to manipulate this and then push lower. So once we take this out, I'm gonna see how we react. And if we get a decent reaction, I'm probably gonna take shorts for a 1-to-1, but we'll see what ends up happening. Honestly, I'm about to go take a shit, so I'm gonna have to look at this shit on my laptop. I'll be back. Oh shit, I don't know if y'all could have seen, I don't know if y'all saw that because it logged me out of my shit, but I took shorts right here. So initially we closed above this high, so I thought we might come up to sweep out this high or retest this 5-minute/15 minute gap right here. So I didn't get in initially right here. I wanted to wait for the rebalance. We got a rebalance right here. We started to display some more, so that's why I got in down here. And now I could have had my stop right here, but I don't know, I guess I was being kind of pussy, to be honest. So I didn't put my stop here. Wanted to give it a little bit of room just in case we wanted to manipulate and then push lower, because there is a 5-minute gap here. So I personally think that was a smart move. In hindsight, I could have put it right here, but I think that was a good move regardless. So this is how it was looking. And like I told you, I was just taking a 1-to-1. I could have just held until ES started to take this low out, and I would have been able to catch like a 1-to-2-ish or trade and have my stop in right here. It would have been closer to a 1-to-3. But like I said, the plan coming into today, I had already woke up late. I already missed a bunch of shit I was supposed to do. It was just to take a 1-to-1, get in and get out, just take what we can get. And that was really all that we needed. So of course I am sitting here like, damn, I could have got more, I could have this, could have that. Let me show y'all what I actually made, and let me show y'all the executions real quick. So again, I don't know if I already told y'all, but I am de-risking right now. I've been de-risked for like the past month and a half. So I stopped risking 500, I started risking 350. Risking so little, it kind of feels like it doesn't feel awesome. Like, it feels good because I know if I lose, I'm straight, but it also is like, damn. You know what I'm saying? Like damn. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's like I barely made shit. Makes me want to risk more, but we're going to stick to the plan until I probably get like 2 or 3 payouts. But I'm getting a lot better at reading overall narrative. So again, we had previous month high swept, previous week and previous day high swept. We then had this internal sweep during pre-market that led us to selling off, filled this new day opening gap, new week opening gap. We then rebalance. Now this is where we see, okay, are we still going to be bullish after this big sweep? Are we still going to be bullish and start to push towards all-time highs? Which is right here, I think. Or are we going to be bearish? And obviously we chopped a little bit, we pushed up, swept this internal, created an SMT and started to sell off more. So that tells us we are going to be bearish. And more than likely we're going to come for Friday's low. And we might just be rebalancing this higher time frame range. Now this could be the start of a reversal, but this also could just be us rebalancing this range. You know what I'm saying? So we'll see what happens tomorrow during the overnight session and shit like that. But that's really all I got, man. So I'm sorry I couldn't take that in front of y'all. I had to take the meanest shit. But yeah, that's really it.